Hey everyone, I'm at Autodesk University 2024, the Design and Make Conference. Now this year alone, we have had hundreds of new feature enhancements and releases introduced in the Autodesk Construction Cloud. For project managers alone, there are a ton of new ways to streamline workflows, access real-time data and insights, and ultimately improve the way that projects are managed. Now I don't have time to cover all of the new releases from this year, but I want to highlight some key releases for project managers. The first half of this year had some heavy hitters. Let's start with the specifications tool. Spec books can be complex documents, and it's important to effectively deploy specification information to all project members. With the specifications tool, you can ensure that your project members are using the most up-to-date specifications on both web and mobile. And through OCR technology, you can upload a large-scale spec book, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of pages, and our technology is going to automatically break it up by spec section. It's a breeze. Physical pool planning boards are a pain, so we set out to digitize this process. Autodesk Build users are able to create collaborative and detailed work plans directly from within the schedule tool. Users can create work plans either independent of or connected to their existing schedules. And this gives you better understanding of handoffs and constraints. You're able to then address them and ultimately ensure that your projects are staying on track. If you're tired of data duplication on your projects, Packages and Files is your solution. In the Files tool, members can group specific versions of files based off of milestones, scope, teams, or really however they want to organize their files. Best of all, one file version can exist in multiple packages. This helps you avoid data duplication and enhance your document control. The second half of the year saw no slowdown, with some huge new features being introduced, like meeting templates. Recreating meeting agendas for every project is tedious, and it's clear that there needs to be a better answer. And that's why we introduced meeting templates. Now, account administrators are able to create and manage meeting agenda templates at the account level. And this means that they are able to share it out to individual projects for those teams to use. How much time do you spend tracking equipment and materials on your projects? And what if you could track related equipment and materials in one system? With asset systems, assets can be grouped into systems to track interdependent assets collectively and assign statuses, issues, and forms to the entire system. When it comes to budget analysis, most teams find themselves in a bind. They're often forced to piece together information from various systems, making it a tedious and time-consuming process. With Budget Snapshots, cost management users are able to take a snapshot of their project budget at a specific point in time. Snapshots can be compared to see how the budget has changed over time and why. We're able to color code the comparisons, making it easy to see what has changed from month over month. Also, we're able to filter by status, so we can see changed, added, and removed line items. I am beyond excited about the new project management features that have come to Autodesk Construction Cloud this year, and I hope you share my enthusiasm. These groundbreaking additions have the ability to revolutionize how project teams approach their construction projects. It offers unparalleled efficiency, collaboration, and control. We can't wait for you to dive in and unlock the full potential of our project management features. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Autodesk's Digital Construction Tech Tip series. If you're interested in learning more, check the link in the description and definitely be sure to check out the rest of the series.